Hi there, welcome to Huson DIY to December the 9th of this 25-day advent calendar from the Brew company. Okay, so December the 9th, as I say, on this one is a Java blend we've got today on December the 9th, which is a medium dark roast, which I think is the first kind of step into the dark ones. All the rest have been mediums so far, I believe. Yes, they have. So hopefully, I do like a darker coffee, so this hopefully will be maybe the new favourite, taking over from Brazil. So medium dark, intensity 4 on the out of 5 scale. It's a Papua New Guinea and Java Indonesia kind of blend by the looks of it. It's got chocolate, lemon, lime and peach taste notes. So it's a captivating combination of coffees from Papua New Guinea and the historic Kayumas Estate in Indonesia's Java region. So it is a blend, hence the name Java blend. So yeah, we'll grind, we'll brew, give it a taste and see what it's like. Okay, so we've ground up the coffee now, we've brewed it, let's give it a taste. So this is the Java blend. Oh, that's nice. Oh yes. Oh, that's much darker. Much darker roast, deeper. I like that a lot. So the chocolate's got a slight citrus element to it, a bit of fruitiness to it, not a lot. Nice, quite chocolatey, but that is my next new favourite. Oh, yes, definitely. Lovely. So the Java blend definitely takes the #1 spot from Brazil. That darkness to it is much more my taste, I think. And we do have another medium dark and a 5 intensity tomorrow with the Africa blend. So top spot now for Java, but tomorrow could be a different story with Africa coming along. So yeah, so that's all done. December the 9th, the Java blend, really nice coffee, nice and dark. Links below in the description to the Brew Company website where you can grab this coffee or the advent calendar with discount codes in there as well. So use those links to get yourself discounts on the coffee. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Let me know in the comment section why. Any questions about the coffee, about the French press or the grinder I used, let me know in the comment section. Any questions about me, let me know. But other than that, we're done for now. Tomorrow we'll be back, December the 10th with the Africa blend. So if you want to follow the Huson DIY journey along for the coffee journey or other DIY projects, hit that subscribe button and we'll see you on the next one.